It's my school backpack. I'm gonna be a big boy today.
Good morning! I hope you are ready for a wonderful day. I just came by to see how you are doing. I will be right here if you need anything at all.
Look at my cool shoe.
They grow up so fast, don't they? It feels like just yesterday that these actually fit.
Yes! It is finally the weekend!
Good morning! Are you ready to see what's inside? We have everything we need for a great day. It is going to be so much fun.
There, I'm all ready for school now. I've got everything packed.
Welcome to our reading corner, everyone. We have so many wonderful stories. Which book do you think we should read first? Come on over and let's find out.
I know the answer. Is it a caterpillar? Yes, Leo? I know that one. The sun is a giant star. Shh.
Leo, that is a magnificent dinosaur. What do you think he likes to eat for lunch?
I think he likes big green trees.
Today, I have 2 blocks to show you. Can you tell me which one is red and which one is blue?
Here, you can use this block for your tower. It will look really cool on top. I like playing blocks with you. Let's see how high we can build it. I'll put it right here. Wow, you did it! Watch me put the triangle on top. Look how tall it is! Let's build it bigger! Don't let it fall. I've got this. That was totally awesome! Yeah, high five!
Good morning! Just follow this rainbow line all the way down the hall. It will take you right to the library, and I'm sure you will find some great books.
I am finally ready for my very big day. I've got my backpack, and I am going to make so many friends. It is going to be absolutely great. Hello, I really like these pictures on the wall. They make me feel very happy standing here. I have to stay focused. This is like a tightrope. I am getting better. Made it to the end. Look, Miss Fern, I got all my check marks today.
You did a wonderful job, Leo. I am so proud of you.
I can't wait to show my mom. Wow, this is the best day ever!